Alright, to find the surface area of this prism, first we're going to start with this bottom part, which is 12 times 6, because it's a rectangle, which is 12 times 6, which gives you 72. And then the next part is we have two sides that are exactly the same. We've got this back side and this side. They both are 12 by 5. So it's another rectangle that is 12 by 5, so we're going to do 12 times 5 times 2, because there's two of them, and that gives you 120. And then finally we've got two triangles here. We go one way back here and one in the front, which are 4 by 6. So if I draw that triangle, it's got a height of 4 and a base of 6. So I'm going to do 4 times 6 divided by 2, but then times 2 because I have two of them. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 divided by 2, because it's a triangle. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So here's what we have. We have a 72, we have a 24, and we have a 120. When you add those together, 120 plus 72 plus 24, that gives you 216, and that is your answer.